Hey, welcome back to Kids Art Now. I'm Marissa, and today we're going to be welcoming the new year with Among Us. Let's get started by drawing Goodbye 2020. So it's just G O O D Good Bye B Y and then the E. Goodbye 20. We're going to make the 2 a 2, and then it's going to be bubble letters or numbers in this case. So we're going to go around and around until you close up the 2. Our 0 is going to be a dead crewmate. So let's draw a curved line that goes like this, and then another line that's curved, and then we'll draw a circle in the middle like that, and then there's going to be a bone sticking out. So let's draw that bone by creating a curved line and then 2 lines that go like this, and then one curve and another curve, and then we're going to close it up with a ring in the middle. Goodbye 2 0. Now we need a 2 again, so draw your 2 and then make it bubble numbers by creating that curve and then going around until you end it. And then we're gonna have another dead crewmate. So let's draw the circle or the curved line that goes around like that, kind of like a half circle. And then another smaller one. We're gonna create a circle and then close up any lines that need to be closed. Let's draw the bone in the middle, curved line, 2 lines down, and then 1 bump, 2. We're also going to create a curve that goes around and in. Goodbye 2020. Hello H E LLO. And then we're going to create the 2 just like this one. So just make a 2 and then curve around. I went the opposite way this time. It doesn't matter which way you go. See how the difference, it doesn't matter. 20, and then the 0 is going to be a crewmate. So make that rainbow shape. And then create a curved line that connects it. We're going to create a circle or oval in the middle. There we go. And then the 2 again. I'm going to go this way just to match up my other 2. And then our 1. Can't believe it's 2021. I just drew a thin oval for the 1. Now you can leave it like this or put cute toppers on. I'm going to create a top hat for the 2. So just draw a line on top, and then we're going to curve around and then draw a line up, and then curve around like this. We're going to put a party hat on this one. So put a line again and make a triangle. And then we're going to spike out up top like this and keep spiking around till you get to the end. you can also decorate the inside of the party hat by putting 2021. So 2021. And then for the other numbers, you can leave them or you can put some more cute toppers. One of mine I'm gonna put is that little alien squid thing. I don't know what it's called. Let me know in the comments. And it's just curved lines around like that. And then once you get to the middle, it's a big circle and then close it off at the end. We're gonna put a dot for the eye and then a little antenna. I think it's an alien, I think. Now I'm gonna create one more hat. And it's gonna be a toilet paper, but you're welcome to create whichever toppers you like. My toilet paper is gonna go around like this and then up with a line, up with another line, and then it's curved at the top. It's also curved here, and then it's a dot in the middle of those two curves. And then for the toilet paper, we have two lines that go out with a jagged edge to end it up. There we go, 2021. Let's color it in. Here's our Among Us New Year's drawing. I added some fireworks in the background just to make it more fun. I hope you enjoyed this drawing. Please subscribe for new drawings and I will see you next time. Bye.